Hi students, today you are going to learn one more chapter about communication. What is communication? Yes, communication is the exchange of information or ideas between people. See, we are sharing our ideas with others. Isn't it or not? Yes. What is media? Yes, media. Mass communication enterprise include print, newspapers, magazines, or broadcast, for example, radio and television. Like that, you may see different mass media things, print media, television, movies. Like that, you are seeing. Okay, what is media? Listen carefully about what is media. Here you may observe print, for example, newspaper, magazines, but broadcast, radio, and television. Sorry, you are knowing. See, for example, here one. Okay, Desmond Bagley is saying, if a man is a fool, you don't turn him. Okay, he has lot of the communication skills. Why? Because he is interacting with others with different ideas. For example, you are also talking with the other person with your ideas. When you are sharing your ideas to others, that also known as a communication. Okay, listen here. Communication and media. Okay, can you tell? We watch TV program on many different channels. Where do you come from? Yes, you are getting internet signals. Okay, from the satellite. So this is also okay communication media. Okay, students. Suppose you are watching TV, you are with your family. So at the time, when information is coming to near you, so at the time you are getting a lot of the information. So it is known as we are calling mass communication. Why? Because television was invented in England by John Legge Bird. Okay. See, when did he invited J.L. Bread television? Yes, in 1926 he invited. Okay, only about 8 years ago you may observe about the television, student. Within this period, it has become the most popular mean of communication or mass communication, you may know. So it has great advantage of having both sight and sounds. You are getting video visual as well as you are listening audio visible also. Isn't it or not? Yes. We talk to other on your mobile phone. What make communication on a mobile phone possible? Through the mobile phone is communication is possible? Yes, exactly, it is possible. Through the mobile phone you can talk with other person easily. You can communicate with him. Whatever your ideas, whatever your thoughts are there, you will share to your friend. Then he will also reply with you immediately. Okay. So that's why mobile also now present one of the mass communication thing, student. You know several things you are utilizing through the mobile phone. Okay, you are talking purpose you are using, you are sending mail to others also you are using, or you are seeing videos also you are using, or you are searching some things in Google, you, through also an internet purpose also you are using, like that, different several purpose you are using. See, here you are communicating with mobile through other information for getting. Let you listen carefully, students. Mass communication uh, is one of the main important. When an idea is communicated to many people at the same time is known as mass communication. At the same time you are getting more information, that is known as we are calling mass communication. For example, already I explained na, you are also watching TV, at the same time your family also watching the TV. Not only that, the same channel other families also are watching, means at the same time many members are getting information, isn't it or not? Yes, it is. As well as mobile also you are using, you are getting a lot of information. At the same time the same information other people also may get through the internet. Otherwise you are sending message to different people at the same time. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. That's why it is we are calling mass communication. For example, okay um now all are utilizing WhatsApp very well. From our school, in fifth class WhatsApp group, if we will send one message, only you will get, or all fifth class numbers will get at the time? Yes, everyone will get. How is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Why? Because internet connection is there. All are joined that group. So at the same time, the message is passed. Many students. How? Through the satellite. In India, we use artificial satellites for communication. These satellites are called the Indian National Satellite. INSAT. Observation, Indian National Satellite. You may know, student. Now we are watching small images. Different images are there. Same girl, her feelings are there entirely different. First image is which image? Let you say. Yes, she is laughing here. That's why you may know she has happiness. Next, second, yes, she has a lot of hungry. Next, sadness. Next, her feelings. You observed here. Surprised. Like that. Through the image, also you will may know what are their feelings. Now you are there. Now you are listening my voice. Means what I am saying here, I am teaching to you. If I will talk with you. Hi students, how are you? Very good. Are you well? Yes. Who are there in your family? If I will talk like that, that is talking, not teaching. Teaching is different, as well as you will know talking different through our voice. When you are watching some images also, through the images, their feelings, their ideas, you may know very well easily, student. In this communication chapter about what is the communication, how we are communicating, what is mass communication, you are getting, students. Now you are watching image here, isn't it or not? Yes. See the on the van which is there, Yes, uh, satellites. Uh, you for getting one small uh, webinar is there. So it is getting signal from the satellite. So it is saving image and everything, and it is passing through the people to different televisions. One channel is there, any channel, okay, through the satellite is getting and passing through others, it is giving, okay, information, isn't it or not? Yes, very good. This is a mass communication thing, student. You are knowing about that one. Why? Because okay, now people can see the pictures and hear easily through the satellite, isn't it or not? Yes, people talk while sitting comfortably in their house or home. See, this person also using not only television, using radio, using newspaper also. Newspaper also is giving a lot of the information, so that's why it is also mass communication at the same time. Okay, the same newspaper is useful to this person and his family members or other persons will come and read. Okay, that print media is printing several newspapers and sending, so many villages are getting same news only, isn't it or not? Yes, radio also same, okay, is giving a lot of the information, so many people will get news, okay, or entertainment programs, or they will get okay, some specific uh, okay, several things you may observe. That's why radio also it is useful to us, and newspaper also useful to us, television also useful to us. Okay, students, in this chapter, okay, I have explained about what is communication. Means communication means our ideas, our information we are sharing to other person, that is known as we called communication. What is communication media? Yes, very good. Communication media means at the same time many people are, okay, sharing their things to others, and they are getting through the newspaper, through the television, through the radio, okay, through the mail, through the mobile phone, okay, through the print media. You may know this all are coming under the mass communication things, students, isn't it or not? Yes, very good. Okay, through this we have many advantages we have, okay, through the, okay, mass media we have several advantages, and as well as we have some disadvantages also. Okay, in this chapter especially you are learning especially about, okay, introduction of the communication, about communication, then communication with individuals. In individual means you, with a single person you can talk through the mobile phone, through the letter, through the uh, uh, email, okay, you send some messages through the smartphone, and you may call, video call to your friend. But mass communication now you are watching here, what are coming under the mass communication? Yes, printing, radio, television, isn't it or not? Yes, the internet also, these all are coming mass communication. Now satellite communication you are watching. Since the earth is around, sending radio and television okay, signals around the world was a problem. Communication satellites solved these problems, okay, satellite which is solving all everyone problems in the world. Okay, why? Because it is giving correct information to everyone. Everyone is getting a lot of information at the same time. whatever information. Suppose if you want, you may get through the Google. If you will search, yes, you will get. As well as, in our India, if you will search, or if you will go to another country also, you will search in Google. If you will be there in somewhere also, then you will search also, the same information will come, your same answers you will get. Okay, this is the good advantages. Now listen carefully, some advantages through the telecommunication and the mass media. We can easily uh, contact people for any uh, from the different places. Okay, right, we can easily contact them, we can call them, we can talk with them, isn't it not? Yes. And the time and the effect spent in exchanging information can be solved. Those days we are sending through the letters, it is taking a lot of the time. Now you are calling simply him and talking with him, or you are sending small message to mobile to him. Okay, like that also, it is also advantages. And they help to raise awareness about the issue, such as the environmental balance, okay, gender equality, and cleanness. See, if you want to know, or if you want to talk with the other person, you have to travel from one place to another place. For that you are using okay, bike. For that you are using petrol. It is also very expensive, and the small pollution will come. But if you call that information phone, then you will give information, no need to go near him, then you will pass, isn't it not? Yes, very good. Now also here also, is it very easy? Not only that, students, people can be a fair word about the natural disasters like the storms, tsunamis, floods. See, what are coming in day, tufan or tsunami or floods. You can know about that one through the news channel, through the messages. You will get easily, isn't it not? At the time you will take lot of the precautions easily, isn't it not? Very good. Next, you are knowing they build awareness about the health educational facilities, good things, happiness is society. You observed, student, a lot of okay, facilities everyone are getting. Now you are getting health facilities easily, and educational facilities easily. Now you are getting educational facilities or not? Yes, you are getting easily. See, in classroom teacher is teaching same concept like this only, as well as through the mobile also, through this okay link also, they are teaching same information, so you are getting easily. But these days are very difficult, so that's why you unable to attend in directly, but you are getting through the live, through the link you are getting same teaching also. See, in classroom you will listen only one time, same all the information. If you want to listen 2 or 3 times also, it is possible through the media. Now we are teaching one time, if you want to listen again also, it is possible. So it is also good advantages to you or not? Yes, it is also good advantages. So that's why you must have to utilize like this advantages. And then they help in the successful implementation of the government schemes launched for the benefit of the people, benefit of the people. And through the mass media, okay, many persons are getting several advantages. For example, traders, industrial persons, they are getting easily, okay, they are sending mail, or they are utilizing this telephone or internet or email, etc. Through that they are okay, passing what are their needs, requirements, materials, and they are getting through the transport easily. Okay, no need to go to one particular place. now many persons are utilizing online booking. Okay, Flipkart, Amazon, etc. Whatever product do you want, you are getting or not? Yes, easily, very good. Like this, all advantages. Now we are seeing some disadvantages also is there. See, disadvantages through the communication. Okay, excessive use of the television, computer, or mobile phone cause okay, disorder of the eyes, ears, and back. Okay, psychological discord and isolation etc are also possible. See, through okay this media, if you watch TV or use mobile phone or internet etc, okay, maybe eye problems will come, hearing problems will come, or some backbone problem will come. This is advantages to the human being, but you know, he may get more than that, more advantages, but some disadvantages, for example, like this. If you continually more hours you will spend, also you will get disadvantages like this. And we get all sorts of information through the television channels and the internet. There are instances of this information being misused to dispute the peace and order in society. See, nowadays this technology is useful to everyone. So what are the information is you are getting through the television and through the internet. Okay, it is indirectly you are getting. But when you are talking with your relatives or from the society, those who are your neighbors are there, then you will get through the, and this information means there is very good and happiness and feelings and relationship will be there very strongly, but you are missing this relationships strongly. Why? Because nowadays technology is developed, so you are utilizing this mass media, television, internet, mobile phones, so you are there very far from them. These also disadvantages. Then next, okay, see, time spent on watching television can lead to the neglect of outdoor sports and physical fitness. This has an adverse effect on physical health. See, you are watching always television, you are lay down on your bed and watching always, you are losing what? Playing time, you are losing, and fitness, and you are losing sports time, etc. See, when I was there in childhood, at the time, we are spending only more time with my friends. We are playing cricket very well outside, and we are going to for swimming, and we are enjoying very well, and we are collecting some fruits from the trees and eating and enjoying. But now all children are not doing like that. Only lay down on the bed and watching always TV and sleeping and eating, sleeping. So you are losing fitness. So you are sensitive. So you may not do hard work. You are losing like this. This is also one of the disadvantages. Okay, you can utilize the technology, you can get more benefits, good, but you should not become the unfit man. You should not lose your fitness. You have to physically be strong, as well as you must have to be develop your skills. You can communicate with everyone whenever is there. You can immediately utilize this media things and communicate with them, or as possible, if is there near you, you go directly and talk with them. You have to get good advantages, as well as you have to get peace and happiness in your life. Okay, students, in this chapter especially you have learned about communication, and you have learned communication with individuals and mass communication. Okay, isn't it or not? Yes, very good, student. you must have to read textbook properly. Okay, right. Last, what are the objectives are there? You have to read and write that all things. It is your homework. Okay, bye students.